Most people get travel credit cards wrong by focusing only on points, but the Norwegian Cruise Line World Mastercard is designed specifically for cruise enthusiasts, and it comes with unique perks that can actually save you money on your next vacation. First, let's talk rewards. You earn 3 points per dollar spent on Norwegian Cruise Line purchases, 2 points on gas, groceries, and restaurants, and 1 point on everything else. That means if you book a cruise for $2,000, you could earn 6,000 points right off the bat. Most people get this wrong by assuming cruise points are the same as general travel cards. They are not. Redeeming points directly for onboard expenses or future cruises gives you the most value. Another key feature is the welcome bonus. Currently, new cardholders can earn a substantial points bonus after spending a set amount in the first few months. I found this is an easy way to cover extras like specialty dining, shore excursions, or onboard activities. Most people overlook these smaller perks, but they can add up to hundreds of dollars in savings. The card also offers no foreign transaction fees, which is great for cruises that dock in multiple countries. You won't pay the typical 2-3% fees on foreign charges. Additionally, there's travel and purchase protection, including trip delay coverage, lost luggage reimbursement, and extended warranty on eligible purchases. On the downside, the annual fee is waived the first year, so it's best suited for frequent cruisers who will maximize points and benefits. If you rarely cruise, the card may not provide enough value to justify the fee. In conclusion, the Norwegian Cruise Line World Mastercard is a strong choice for cruise lovers who want to earn points quickly, save on onboard expenses, and enjoy travel protections. Most people get cruise credit cards wrong by ignoring targeted perks, but this one delivers real benefits if you use it strategically. Subscribe for more credit card insights and travel tips to help you get the most out of your next vacation.